We all know at this point that AI and neural networks are here to stay, but how can you, at home as a non-technical person, access this? You're gonna learn today.
It's the Joe Show.
It's the Joe Show! With me, Joe. By now you know it's Tech Tuesday and I'm gonna teach you about AI, so let's jump into it. I stumbled on this website called lobe.ai. It says train apps to identify plants. Loeb helps you train machine learning models with a free, easy-to-use tool. And guess who already signed up for the beta and downloaded it? It took 1 second and was 3 fields. I think you can handle it. So here we are at Loeb. It says new project. Let's open up a new project. And then we've got on the left-hand side, you see label, train, and play. Now I've used this a little bit just so I can, get a feel for it and make the video correctly. You start with labeling, which means labeling pictures of what you want to identify, whether it be a cell phone, a mouse, a mug, or what I'm gonna train today, identify a potato. Potato! In the tour video, he trains a model to recognize when someone is drinking, but today I'm going to train it how to recognize a potato, and we're going to see if it can tell the difference between this potato and this potato. Potato! So let's do it. Let's start labeling. We're going to go to import here, and then I'm going to choose camera. Now I hope it doesn't mess up this filming. So it actually did mess it up, and I had to restart importing this video, so here we go. So we got labels, so what we need to do is put up a picture of a potato and capture it. Boop. It's as easy as that. So now we have one image, but we forgot to do one thing. I got to add a label here and label it as potato. And now we take a picture and label it as a potato. We take another one. Or you can also take it in bursts so you can really get your potato on. All over the screen. That's right. You can hear it clicking away. Getting that potato. But we need another angle. Here we go. Potato, potato, potato. And I have another potato here. Let's rotate it. Okay, so now it knows that that's a potato. But as this is an AI, we got to be a little bit more specific, right? So I'm going to put this potato on a fork like this. And then I'm going to start importing these images. Move it around the screen a little bit. And then, as they do in beauty commercials, they hold up like this so that you can see what it is. I'm going to do that same thing with a plate. Here we go, recording the potato on a plate. Let's do another potato. Potato, 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 potato. You say potato, I say neural network. We have 74 images labeled potato, but it needs an additional data set that is the opposite. So we have to call it not potato. Not potato. And then we gotta start taking pictures. I'm just gonna stand here and take pictures. Hold up the fork. I held up the fork. Yep, okay, not potato, not potato. Here's me. Let's get the room. Let's get me with the plate. You gotta think of all the different ways that it could potentially recognize an image of the potato and also not the potato. All right, so now you can see here it's changed to training the algorithm. So it's training my potato recognition algorithm. Let's see how it does. Once it's done training it, it'll take probably about a minute, maybe a little longer because I'm recording the screen and running the software and also filming this at the same time in Final Cut Pro. So there's a lot going on for my really crappy computer to do. In the meantime, as I mentioned before, it's called lobe.ai and it's a free beta. It only requires 3 fields right now: your name, your email, and the reason why you want to play with it. I clearly wanted to review it for Technology Tuesday to empower everyone to train their own models. And if you get in early and you train a good model, maybe they'll make a marketplace and you can sell your trained algorithm doing whatever it is: drinking, doing a dance, being a potato, whatever it is. Still training here. Let's give it a minute. Not potato, not potato, not potato. hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot potato. Ow, 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 ow. Fresh out the oven, baby. Ow, 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 ow. Fresh out the oven, baby. Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot. Hot potato, hot potato, hot potato, hot. The algorithm is now fully trained, and I apologize if this is lagging. My computer, like I said, I can't handle this. Let's see if it can recognize a potato. So far, it thinks I'm not a potato. If I move my head around, let's see what happens. Nope, not recognizing me as a potato. That's nice. What if I take my head off? Nope, doesn't recognize me as a potato. This is good. Now let's see what happens if I hold up an actual potato. Oh, it recognized it! And now it recognizes that it's gone. Potato, other side. Oh, what if I put it in my mouth? I just added that to the algorithm so that it knows if it's in my mouth, it's a potato. Let's see if it recognizes it now. Or if I put it on my hat. Oh. If I hide it? Hey, this is not a potato. Now you think I'm a potato? Now you think I'm a potato? Let's give it a second to retrain itself before we hop back into it. All right, it's retrained itself again. Potato. 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 Still doesn't recognize that one. You know when you don't recognize this? This is a potato. Potato. Still recognizing it. Still recognizing it. Still recognizing it. Less faith, less faith, less faith. Not a potato, it's gone. No potato. Ha! I can get the fork. I can get the hat. But once it goes in here, oh. It can't do it. Potato. I also programmed a secret potato recognition algorithm into the neural network. We all know what a real potato looks like. And so with that, our potato searching algorithm has been trained here. Let's name it potato or not. No. Or hot. Done. Let's go to File, Export, and now I can export it using these 4 different options. TensorFlow Lite, that seems pretty common. Whatever I end up exporting it as, you can download it in the comment section. I'm going to try to link it. That's it for lobe.ai. It made training an algorithm actually super easy and kind of fun using your webcam or a data set of images that you can find online. Now, caveat, this is just for image recognition and video stuff. But the fact that they made it so accessible and so easy is super impressive. I like it. It's very magical. And even the clip art that they use, I know where that came from as well. I can link to that in the comments if you're interested in their clip art for your application. You can check it out. It's lobe.ai. It makes training machine learning algorithms fun and simple and accessible for you for image recognition stuff. Potato! And that's been today's Joe Show. If you like my content, hit that subscribe button and mash that potato so you get a notification every time I mash up a new video. If you got an idea for me, you can send it to hijoeshow@gmail.com. Send me to a friend. I look forward to entertaining you and growing this channel together. And with that, until next time, text something good because you know what? I love you.